Dead? Oh. Here, Cameron, you want to make Patch do something? Here. Get up.
Boy.
Tell him to stay.
Good boy.
Can you make Xander lay down?
Get down. Get down.
Tell him to lay down.
Down. Good boy. Down.
Good boy. Give it to him. Give it to him. Patch, get up. Cameron, give that one to Patch. Tell Patch to lay down.
No. Patch. Lay down.
Give it to him.
He got it.
You want to do another one?
Yeah.
Okay, get up, guys. Class starts again. Get up. Get up. Xander's getting tired. Tell Xander to sit.
Sit. Sit. Sit. Sit.
Xander, sit.
No.
Okay, now give it to him.
Good boy. Good boy.
Now can you tell Xander to lay down?
Lay down. Lay down.
Xander, down.
Xander, lay down.
Nope, down.
I give you paw. And I give you paw.
Give him the treat.
Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Patch, get up. Patch,
Pat,
up.
get up.
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 Here
Good
we go.
boy.
Tell him to lay down.
Lay down. Good boy. No. Oh. Stupid.
Stupid boys. They're good boys. So what do you want to do now?
He is not.
Tell Xander to lay down. Let's get
Lay
Xander.
down.
Tell him.
Lay down.
Say his name. Say Xander, lay down.
Lay down. Sinner. Sinner. Lay down. Good boy.
Good boy. Give him his treat. Give him his treat.
Good boy. Good boy.
Okay, now, should we get Patch to play dead? Tell Patch to play dead. Down. Down.
Get up.
Get up. Give him a
Good
treat.
boy.
Do the one where you shoot him.
Sinner.
What did Xander do?
Hey, treat.
Are they good boys?
He eat that.
He can't do it. Okay, Patch, come. Patch.
Pat, come.
Patch,
No,
come.
Xander, sit.
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 Down. Get up.
Get up.
Do it again. I didn't get it.
Patch, almost a Cameron. Sit. Down. Get up. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, no more treats. We're all done.